Maintain currency and profile. ये अब क्यों करते हैं ये मैं बता देता हूँ. Let me tell you that. It's not made. How come? It's not made. Okay, nice. Okay, it is not made. Okay, currency and valuation profile equal 47.
सर ये हम क्या मेंटेन कर रहे हैं?
Let me tell you that. EQ47, currency and valuation. Your plant is in Philippines. Head office, Dubai. Material is shipped to Philippines. Okay. Your company code currency is USD. The plant currency not necessarily can be USD, but it can be Philippines peso. Okay. So when material is acquired, purchased, or manufactured, okay, it will be evaluated. Why? Because of USD versus peso fluctuation. So if you bought something for 100 USD, like raw material, after 3 months, same raw material can be 88 raw material. So your product, finished product, will have a difference of 12 at every process, every level. So how to maintain this? For this, we need currency valuation profile, where we evaluate material every month. Based on this, we need material ledger to maintain and prices and calibrate or compare with previous month, future months. In short, this is currency and valuation profile. So that's why we make this. EQ47 details. Okay, company code currency. We have 3 valuations. Remember, legal valuation, group, profit center. Legal valuation is what you produce in balance sheet. Group valuation is for group level for internal reporting. Profit center valuation for internal management reporting to know which profit center is profitable. Profit center can be geographical or product based. Okay, so there are 3 types of valuations. Once this is done, we go back. Assign currency and valuation profile to controlling area. AQ is not made controlling area. Okay, go back. PRO, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, assign company code to chart of accounts. I'll tell you later why I'm doing this. 247. AQ47 is YL47. Okay. This is done. Global settings, global parameters, AQ47. These are necessary steps. Okay. Fiscal year variant is K4. Chart of accounts is YL47. So we can make a controlling area now confidently. Enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. Maintain. New entries. AQ 47 controlling area is equal to company code. USD currency valuation profile is AQ 47. Controlling area same as company code. Financial statement version. I'll tell you later what this is. Save. Error in currency data. Company code is missing. Company code is missing. Why? Currency is there. 47 is there. Okay. Edit company code data. AQ 47. People foods USD. Okay, this is correct. Content including area. AQ AQ 47 USD INT save. Okay. It's because of currency evaluation profile was not synchronized. Next step is again a necessary step. That is OKKP. OKKP AQ 47. Atito Foods, double click. Cost center standard hierarchy AQ 47. I can say it's not made. I will say okay, make it. Activate components. Yes. 2023. Cost center will be active. Activity type will be active. Orders will be active. Now, order is production order, process order. Activity type for production overheads. Cost centers, easy to understand. Cost objects is cost objectives. Cost center, production order, process order. These are cost objects because these objects absorb all the cost of the material being produced. Assignment of company codes. New entries. 1847. Save. We can assign multiple company codes here. Remember that. Provided chart of accounts and fiscal variant is the same. Okay. Next is financial accounting. Ledgers. Assign currency. Valuation profile to controlling area. Now it's made. AQ 47. Feet of foods. AQ 47. Save. Maintain description. Define ledger for CU version. Very important. AQ 47. It's not made. Now, why do we make this? Let me tell you that. 47 version 0 ledger 0L. Save. Save. Now, controlling area is where all production orders, cost accounting is done in simple words. Version 0. Now, version 0 is plan and actual version. Plan means I want to plan to produce 10,000 units. And the actual will be 9,000 units. So this 1,000 is the variance. It is maintained in version 0. There are other versions as well, like 0, 1, 2. We have only 0 right now, plan actual version. So I will have both plan and actual compared in this version 0. Ledger 0L is the leading ledger across the SAP landscape, which is only one. All manual entries from finance, production planning, CEO, PM, QM, HR, CRM, SD, all actually fall in 0L, and this has a currency. If it is maintained USD, you will need another ledger to maintain it, another currency. So 0L is the base ledger where all the entries are maintained. Data safe. Okay, clear? Now, material ledger, very important step. Now, material ledger, currency types and define material ledger types. New entries, AQ 47. Material ledger type, define individual characteristics. Company code, currency, which is USD. Save. Save. Now, material ledger actually stores the variances of current prices versus previous prices in different currencies. That's why we need a material ledger. And this is reconciled every month. Valuation area AQ 47. Valuation area is your plant. Material ledger type AQ 47. Okay, now it is status is active. And what it's saying, material ledger currencies are allowed in FI. So it will flow to FI again. Save. Activate valuation areas for material ledger. Activate material ledger. AQ 47. Price determination is 2, which is transaction based. Material ledger is active 2. And yes, price determination binding in valuation area. Price determination is again related to material product costing. Okay, we'll keep it by default. Save. Save. This is an important step before we actually start any configuration. This is done. Okay. Now let's move on to our logistics part, which is important before I close the lecture for today. Logistics, material master, configuring, team selection, basic settings, global settings, material types. Global settings, this is document type. These are multiple document types. Document types are for engineering and design drawing. This is by default. I'm not pushing it right now. Standard country is DE, which is Germany. Okay. So reference material with which we can make our material. It's follow material, planning material, manufacture part number, all will be relevant for your material master. Okay. Save. Okay. Maintain company codes for material management. AQ 47. Okay, 2003 period 7. Previous period was 6, 2022. Okay. So last month, previous year, for 12 months. And allow posting period, previous period, yes. And disallow back posting generally. Let's not do that. All saved. Back posting in previous month, like posting an invoice, posting GR, material types. Attributes of material types. Again, this is raw material, finished good, semi-finished good. All we have actually discussed this. ROH material. Reference. Okay, material is configurable like automotive. Material for process. Yes, if it is for chemical industry, that's process, or Pepsi or Coca-Cola, you actually use this. Pipeline is mandatory for automotive. Manufacturer part, if you're making a spare part, that's manufacturer part. And this is what's this? Guys, FF class. Form fit function, again automotive. Okay. This is automotive part, manufacturing. Quantity structure, yes, we have a quantity, we actually make units in quantities. Moving average price will be the standard. Price control mandatory? No, it's not mandatory. Quantity updating by valuation area of value updating means 1,000 units of what value? USD. By valuation area means by plant. This is plant. Okay. Save. Okay. Define number range for each material type. We've already seen this. Basic settings. Material master. Okay. Next is material management. Purchasing. General settings. Set material log for goods movement. Material log is done when it has to be quality inspected. Exclusive log, whenever a material master is in use, only then it can be logged. If I'm posting a GR, nobody else can use that material for 10 seconds. Okay. So it will update the DB when I'm updating. No one else can do that. That is the configuration. Set up material block for invoice verification. Material blocks at first read, and invoice is simulated or invoice is posted. At first read. First read means if the material is being worked on in one screen, that's the first read. Nobody else will be able to post an invoice. Okay. Requirement prioritization, consumption, purchasing. In purchasing, maintain purchasing area, first of all, then material master. Shipping instruction. We'll do this in the next lecture, but let me just purchasing groups. Purchasing group, new entries, AQ47. Purchasing group can be for raw material, for semi-finished good, or any other material type. This can vary material type to material type. Okay. Purchasing area. Purchasing area, new entries, AQ board. Now this can be again for material type, raw material. And in raw material, you have many other like inflammable or like textile or threads or chemical or spare parts. Based on that, your purchasing area can differ. But I'm just looking at purchasing area 47. Say. Okay, purchasing org, AQ47, canned foods, fresh foods. Yes, we have made according to our material categories. Okay.